if you want to A/B test a section on Squarespace, it's actually really easy to do. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it super quick. So on our site here, if we go into the page that we want to make edits to, so we click up in the left-hand corner, we click edit, and we have our top section here. Let's say I want to just test this against a video section. What I have to do is just hit this save section icon here, and I'm going to save this to my site. What I'm then going to do, and you can ignore this step for now because this is something I prepared earlier, is I'm going to save this section here. Let's head back out. Okay, great. So our home page, I have a image and I want to test this against a video section. So first off, we need to decide, okay, what one are we going to start with? I'll start with the image. So we'll remove this section for now, keep it in the saved sections because it's really easy to swap in and out. So I'm going to run this test for, let's just say 7 days. I can then look at the data. So if I go into analytics, which is down here, I will be able to set a custom range. So let's say from 3rd to the 9th, for instance. And I can see, okay, this is how many visits a page has had, how many clicks, what's been engaged with, all that good stuff. Then what I can do once I've finished that week is I can go straight back into the page. I'll remove this section, make sure it's saved, obviously, go into saved sections, and you can see we've got our 2 sections here. So we click on the video section, hit save, and immediately we've got our B to our A/B test. So that's in place. Once another week goes by, we go back into the analytics, we check it out. If you want to use Microsoft Clarity, Google Analytics, any of that, you can use that for obviously deeper insights than what Squarespace is going to give you. But you can then compare and contrast both data sets and make an informed decision about, okay, what's the best section to go with? Once you do know that, then you can make a final decision. So we go back, let's say the image, I don't know, maybe I notice in the data, I get far more clicks or the bounce rate is lower with the image. Super important. So we'll remove this. We'll go back into add section and I'm going to add that image back in, save it. And there we go. It's that easy to run your A/B test. So hopefully you found that helpful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.